Well, that's the solderless ends wiring connected. Fucking complicated, isn't it? And I'll add the shield onto here, and then fit it in the casing. I've done these before. Don't know how many I've done so far. I've done quite a few of these now. Just fit them in the case. That's done. Oh look, get the camera flicker on the light that I had my head torch light. Ground that shield, it connects around to this end here. Let's move that torch out of the way. That one's done. So it's so easy with these solderless ones, but you know, somewhere, you know, I think they do make an XLR that's kind of a solderless, but probably have DB25 Phoenix connectors. But simple. And then fit the screws in here. A little nut there. You just turn up. Sound. That bit was just for show, because unless I want to use the multimeter to check what pins I'm gonna, what colour wire, what pins to colour wire I'm gonna start connecting the soldering on. I don't think so. So I've got visualization on here, so I'll just go now. I've got to do all the soldering. Next video should be the lead all soldered up to XLRs. It better work. I bet this better work.